Having been studying in China for 4 years, Davis Munashe from Zimbabwe says the experience makes him dream big.
My name is Davis and I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm currently studying pharmacology at Nashii Medical University. I've been studying in China for 4 years, and this is my first year in Yinchuan. It's been wonderful, and the Chinese government extended a scholarship for me in order for me to take care of myself and also to expand my innovations and in order for me to dream big. So I'm really grateful, and also I would like to thank the Chinese government and this school. This year has been a difficult year for me, but my teachers, my advisors, and the whole community in general chipped in and helped me out, and I'm here as a testimony of these relations and how deeply this friendship can go and how they've helped me so much in my life.
Munashe has received COVID-19 vaccines for free in China. He is happy that his family will also get the vaccination soon, as China-donated vaccines have arrived in his motherland, as well as other African countries.
I would really like to appreciate the way the Chinese government is accommodating, especially to me personally. I've been able to get the vaccine for free in China, and which has been so great. I didn't expect them to do so, but it's been so wonderful. And I'm really grateful that the vaccines that are going to Africa, my family also will get the vaccination, and I really hope that together China and Africa, Zimbabwe in particular, will be able to fight COVID together and will be able to be successful.